Hi everyone, so how you doing? This is Artist Press from Vga Development. I just logged into Artist Press and it brought me to here, to my profile. And I'm an administrator, so I can look at all the posts that I made on the site, all the blogs, right, that I made as an administrator on the site. So trying to show what Artist Press is about, Artist Press. So we have on the window blogs and events. Of course, artists can really post events. That's what it's all about. The press, posting events at the press, and set booking dates and anything that's going on with the artist. The artist can also blog from your area right here. These are the blog the administrator put in, album reviews, and things like that. Right? And if I want to create, if you want to create a blog from your end, you will simply do this. Okay, you can definitely put this here, a featured image, right? You click on that right there. It'll extend the toolbar for you, and you can select other image to be inserted in the post. And you can do an embed. If you know what the source code is, you can enter the dimension of your player, whether it be audio or video, your source code, it will pick it up. Or you can just go ahead and do that. So say for instance you have your SoundCloud URL for your audio you put here, and they also URL of the image. You can put a straight embed there from SoundCloud, or you can get one from Google, but as it is, right? And so you can get a video inside here from Google, from YouTube, or you can get your SoundCloud music inside of your review. Cool. The way, let's go back here. The way if you go to album, which is still a post, blog post, and um, we'll click on this, and we will have this. So this is just the extra wide page without the sidebar, right? So you can accomplish that. Okay, and the one that, when you're doing yours, it will end up something like this, and you can set your page up where it took by. Remember to put your image left and this right and that if you understand how to work with the editor by instructing the image to go left. So if you put this in and you click beside it and you put the image, you said, okay, make this left, and everything will fall to the left and the right. And beneath it, you can go and add a player, and you go and add another player there, so you can have the chance to design the way you want, right? So truly, that's back to the profile. Okay, so from profile, you can do that. Okay, and but from your profile, you can edit and do otherwise to your post. So this is another post system we call my post that was designed to give the artist ability to post in the main post system that's still in the system that I use to make posts on the front end sometimes. We're still thinking whether we should give it up to editors to do that, to use, so the editor can come in and use it to write the review. Okay. All right. And next part about the site that we're giving to the artist and musician is activity. The active is the music active part of the site, where artists and musician can upload demo songs, right? Artists and musicians should also know that well, uploading demo will be a limited amount of megabytes that they have to use. So if they use up their little megabytes, then they can still get more, right? Okay. Or we might just set it to a certain level. That means you can upload and we'll see. So this is what's happening. And as it shows you here, that you have one user here that did this, another user did this. Go to this user and display this user media. Okay. So, okay. So user profile in this part of the page. So that's what's really happening with artist per se. We have a music store. Right? Okay. Thanks a lot for just like looking at a little short video of artist music press and what we are doing. Um, sure, I think we missed it one part. Um, let's go here because it's got a sidebar. I think. Right. Okay, let's think about the piece. This have sidebars. Okay, let's go back to the side for me. And and, blog. Site so big sometimes you have to really search around what is what. I want to show you what I did in the site, right? Okay, so it's a pretty good site because it was easy for me to really create this. With the tools that's there, it's easy for artists to come and create this as well. And we're doing video reviews, so right. So the site is based upon you may see certain video here because it's a review on that particular video, so it's there. We see it and we like the video and we did a review on the video. It could also be a show, right? And a review on even an artist performance or other things about the artist. It's a press site. But of course, the press site must survive. So we sell a few music, and artists can submit them song for sale inside of the network. And when the artists submit them song to music press, artist music will also be available in all music press stores across the network. Like I said, all music press store across the network. 'Cause that's what it really comes down to, you guys. We have to have our own. We will buy a Spotify shop, buy a TuneCore store, a Dazzle store, an Apple store, have your Google store. So everybody's getting some money, and then we get to make some money too. Okay, so you guys take care, and thank you if you're watching this video from VGA Development.